Fake news is a clear and present danger to national security. Thus, such peril cannot be dismissed. It must be met and thwarted by the disciples and defenders of democracy who constitute the fourth estate. So says the president in his plea to journalists standing at the front lines in the war against fake news and conspiracy theories, which our Patrick De Jesus sums up in this report.
Before, social media was flooded with wrong information. Now, it's more high-tech because deepfakes are prevalent. Manipulated videos, audio, and photos that look real, all designed to destroy reputations and spread fake news. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. warns this has become a major national threat. Speaking before media workers, he urged a united fight against disinformation.
Our big problem, and this one, talaga, I need your help. I don't know how to approach it. We have many ideas, but what we need really to work together on is the fake news.
Fake news is no longer a joke or mere entertainment. It's now doing real damage, he says.
The government needs the help of all the media to try and explain to people that you have to be more discerning about what you read and what you believe and what you take on. And that is a challenge, I think, for us in the future. And it's not an easy one. It's not an easy challenge, but we have to continue to try and do it because it is important that people know the truth. The people know what is happening truly. That the people are not led into these crazy mind games that people have been playing without any connection anymore to reality.
The president thanked journalists for their sacrifice and their role in uncovering truths that help government address real issues.
Yan ang trabaho natin. Hindi naman natin, basta huwag na kayo maingay. Basta tama itong ginagawa namin. Hindi pwede yun. Kaya kailangan namin kayo na sinasabi nyo, hindi, ganito ang nangyayari, ginagawa nila ito dahil sa ganito.
He expressed confidence that government-press cooperation will only grow stronger.
Thank you for this partnership that we have fostered over the last 3.5 years, and let us make it even stronger because we now are faced with a challenge that we have to work together to address.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.